What's up? Welcome back to Schraub Stories. Today we got an interesting one for you. We're down here in Paula Raceway and we're doing the Surfer Cross event. It's a Surfer Moto team event and we just pulled our names here since 7 a.m. We got here really early. We are now gonna throw on some gear and get rolling, I guess. I haven't ridden a moto in like 15 years, so I'm kind of tripping. I'm a little nervous, or I should say extremely nervous, but I don't know. We're gonna give it a rip. Make sure I don't crash, and yeah, just kind of go from there. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm gonna bring my GoPro with me for all of it so you guys will get some insight into what's going on the track. But it's pretty cool, like every lap you switch off, so one lap me, then one lap moto guy, then vice versa, whatever. But you'll meet him here in a little bit. Noah, hurry up.
Dude, I'm waiting on my partner. How's your practice?
What do you need your partner for?
We're racing.
I know, but don't you need to get out there?
He's doing the start.
Oh. Tell me about your bike.
It's electric.
Does it go?
It shows incredible.
You gotta check your iPad to turn your motorcycle on.
Yeah.
I think I just set it down.
Go, Toa, go. There's the race happening. Noah Albrecht's out there. I'm wearing this little vest for people. Yeah, fuck, dude. It got to a point where there's a tabletop over there.
I'm Craig.
Pleasure to meet you.
Sorry, I got thrown in.
No, fuck, it's sick. I'm sorry, dude. I fucking was getting so worked at the end of all that.
Oh yeah, I tried to tell your dad, just go inside.
Yeah. Did my first practice. It went about as good as I could have hoped. I didn't slam, but I got the gnarliest freaking arm pump, dude. Holy crap. But you can tell right now the camera's shaking so bad because my forearms are smoked. But didn't slam, did probably 80% of the jumps, a couple that I didn't do, a couple of them are kind of sus. But it was chill. So right now, a couple of the boys are gonna go out for the industry one and then the pro race is next. So, yeah, time for round two. All right, so we just finished race day out at Fox Raceway in Paula, and it was pretty hectic, honestly. I got kind of smoked. I didn't crash, so that was definitely a positive note. But my teammate went down in the practice, broke his collarbone, ended up going to, I think he went out in the ambulance. I don't know what happened, but either way, he broke his collarbone and he was out. So we ended up switching and changing teammates. So we didn't do super well. I think we beat a couple people. I mean, let alone I haven't ridden in 15 years, so I wasn't doing super great. And then he was kind of just cruising too. So we just kept it on two wheels, you know, stayed upright, and we made it happen. So now tomorrow is the surf challenge part of the whole thing. And all of us riders and surfers are going down to the beach, and we're gonna go do a surf bracketing system of some sort. I don't know how they're gonna structure it, but that's the plan. So we're gonna go down to Trail 6 and do that whole deal.
Oh, yeah.
To sum up the entire event, everything was awesome. We rode Moto day 1, which was Monday. Day 2, we went and surfed, and you know, I had a blast. My teammate had a blast. You know, I originally got paired up with a gentleman named Chris Fillmore. He holds the current world record for Pikes Peak, I guess, going from top to bottom or bottom to top, whatever it is. But super fast, super good rider. And during practice 1 for Pro Moto, he went down and supposedly, I don't know, this isn't confirmed, but supposedly he ruptured his lung, broke some ribs, and broke his back maybe even too. But long story short, he got carted out in the ambulance. So we hope and pray that you're feeling better and feeling all right, Chris. But you know, I ended up getting partnered up with another gentleman that was also a very good moto rider. You know, used to race Supercross back in the day and blah, blah, blah. But, you know, we had a bunch of fun. We kept it on 2 wheels. I only really tipped over 1 time, so we survived that whole thing. But some of the Pro Moto guys were doing whips past my head. It was insane. Like, the most fun event that I think I've ever done. And I'm already super excited for next year. And then, you know, going into surf day 2, watch all the moto guys get out there and try to, you know, catch a couple waves and surf a little bit. It was pretty hilarious. You know, some of the fastest guys on the track can't even catch a wave. So, you know, the whole thing was just classic. Like, one of the most fun, best experiences I've ever done. And now I need to go buy a moto, and we're going to do Shroud Stories Moto now. So I guess it's back to riding for me, you know, with my 15-year hiatus. That restoked the fire, and now we're back on. But you know, during the surf contest, I rode a twin fin fish, the one that I've been riding a bunch from Infinity. It was a good choice. The waves were just so soft. We were down at Trail 6, and you know, it was hard for me to even catch a wave, let alone I was so sore from riding the day before. But whatever. We did what we could. We had some fun. The weather was great. You know, good catching up with old friends like Jason Somo was there, Tanner Wyatt, Chance Gall. You know, the list is endless, right? We had so many good friends and family and all of it, you know. It was awesome. Cameron Steele was there announcing the whole thing too, so pretty epic. We're already looking forward to next year, but I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Drop in the comments rousting me for a couple of the ones where I almost looped out, whatever. Let me know what you think of the event, and definitely tune in next year to Surfer Cross. They have an Instagram page. It's just Surfer Cross, super simple. Spell it exactly how it sounds. So yeah, thanks everyone for tuning back in. Next week we got a super cool episode. We actually did a Shroud camp with a private Shroud camp, Dylan Radovic, and I had asked him if he'd be all right if we did a Shroud Stories episode with him in it. So we're gonna go over a little bit of what we talked about and what we were working on each different time we went out, and you'll see a A to B difference of, you know, his skill level, I guess, if you will. Basically, you know, his progression, just even from those 2 days, right? So we're going to do that next week, but thank you guys for tuning back in. Like, comment, subscribe, do the whole deal, and we'll catch you next week.